Kuramga juang Luoro Nitie ni Chenro mag counties duto kidek chungi kachop juma nyien kaka ne governors obuogo. Governor Kakamega County Fernandez Baraza ma en jatend committee mar Omenda edul mar governors oyuak ni aguch omenda mag piny owacho mamalo poko chwalo omenda madirom bilion 94.4 counties kaka ne osingi. Baraza jiwo ni biro chuno ted counties mondo miyo chungi chenro duto mag piny owacho po ne omenda oko chopo ne counties go mapiyo. Baraza ne losero mar jokanyo mag omenda.
Mwezi wa 5 mwaka huu wa 20.
We are putting the National Treasury on notice that next week the Council of Governors is going to meet so that we reassess our position of shutting down counties. We need the monies to be released in order for us even to have time to absorb those funds, because you cannot have arrears going up to 4 months and then you expect counties to fully absorb the amounts by the end of this financial year, which is just almost 1.5 months ago. That is our message to the National Treasury, and we are hoping that going forward, we want to have a reliable and predictable method of disbursing our revenues to the counties